This is a video about Rhodes not doing his chores, so it was time to approach him about it. Rhodes,
Yes?
when are you going to clean your room?
Give me 2 minutes.
Okay. Rhodes, when are you going to do your homework?
In 3 hours.
Rhodes,
What?
when are you going to clean the bathtub?
In 1 minute.
1 minute, huh? I'm holding you to it.
Okay.
Rhodes,
Yes?
when are you going to empty out the dishwasher?
I don't know, Mama. What you gonna do about it? Please stop! Please stop! Oh my God! Why did you do this?
There you go, buddy.
Hey, Mama. I
Yes?
don't want to do my homework. I don't want to clean a dishwasher. I don't want to clean the bathroom. I want to fight you.
You want to fight me?
Yes.
How about a dance-off, fight-off, battle? And Dada will decide who's the winner. Is it on?
Yes, it's on. High five. It's on!
It's on! Okay, listen. This is the deal. We're going to have a gun dance-off, okay? I'm going to do a couple of dances. You're going to do a couple of gun dances. Use your best creative energy. And this is the deal. If your dad thinks that your dances are the best, I'm going to excuse him from doing the chores for the weekend. If dad thinks that mine is the best, you have to do the chores tomorrow, okay? And if you win, you get to shoot me in the face. Deal?
Deal.
Okay, let's go. I'll start. Ready? Here we go.
My turn.
Okay, my turn. Ready? My turn. And Dada, who's the winner of the gun dance-off?
Rhodes. Rhodes.
Rhodes is the winner, huh?